River run by Jaja will cool the land, refresh the heart, wash away the wicked part. Every wave a blessing send, every stream a truth to men. River of Jah never dry, carry peace as it pass by. River of Jah love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. It touch the root, it feed the tree, it set the hungry spirit free. It call the thirsty, come and take, drink the water Jah create. From holy spring to ocean deep, river run while prophets sleep. No stone, no dam can hold the flow. River of Jah forever go. It healed the wounds of war and hate. It opened up the Zion gate. It carries song from shore to shore, sing of love forevermore. It washed the chain from hand and mind, leave the truth and peace behind. Every ripple tell the tale of how Jah love will never fail. Me walk along the riverside, hear the water prophesy. It say hold firm, don't lose the fight, keep the faith in Jah's true light. It teach the youth to share and care, to guard the earth and keep it fair. River run with righteous plan, flow for every woman, man. When the moon reflects so bright, river glow in Jaja light. From dawn again till evening fade, river sing what Jah has made. It never cease, it never bend. River run from start to end, carry blessing from above. River of eternal love, flow high, flow far, carry Jah true to who we are. From spring to sea, from rain to tide, river of love will ever guide. No wall, no fear can make it stop. River of Jah overflow drop. River a smoke, yeah, man. Shining bright from holy peak, light of Jah to all who seek. Cut through darkness, chase the night, guide the people in truth and light. Every beam a blessing send, every glow a wound to mend. Light of Zion never fade, show the path Jah hand has made. Light of Mount Zion, warm and clear, burn away the doubt and fear. Lead the way through storm and shade, shine until peace is made. It rise each morn with golden glow, over hills where blessings flow. It touch the poor, it touch the king. Same bright love for everything. It shine on path, it light the door. Tell the soul to strive for more. Babylon cloud can't hide its ray. Light of Jah will find the way. It guide the youth to higher ground, where truth and freedom can be found. It warm the hands, it warm the heart. It heal the soul from wicked part. Every glimmer speak your name, every spark a holy flame. No shadow stand, no darkness stay, when Zion light begin to play. Me climb the mountain, close me eye, feel the sunlight from the sky. It tell me, child, don't lose your pace. Jah will guide you through his grace. It teach the world to live as one, under light of rising sun. Every ray a righteous plan, shine for every woman, man. When the nightfall start to creep, light still guard this soul in sleep. From dusk again to breaking day, it keep the shadows far away. It never dim, it never die. Light of Zion reach the sky, from first dawn to final time. It shine in rhythm, pure and prime. Shine high, shine strong, light of Jah forever long. From east to west, from earth to space, Zion light fill every place. No veil, no storm can block the glow. Light of Jah forever show. Light of Mount Zion, warm and clear, burn away the doubt and fear. Lead the way through storm and shade, shine until the peace is made. From mountain crest to valley deep, light of Jah will ever keep.
Aye, aye, aye. Deep meditate, yeah, man. Standing tall from ancient time, roots deep down in holy line, branches stretch to reach the sun. and poor. Welcome all through open door. It teach the youth to plant and care. Share the blessings everywhere. Tree of Zion stand so true. Give the strength we carry through. Through the storm and through the drought, tree of life still stand devout. Babylon axe can't cut it down. It wear Jah roots like holy crown. It guard the path to righteous way. Mark the place where children play. Every ring inside the wood tell the story of Jah good. Me sit beneath and meditate. Hear the whisper, feel the fate. Tree a talk in ancient tongue. Tell the tale from when we're young. It says stand firm, don't lose the fight. Grow in love and walk in light. Every seed it dropped today carries Zion far away. Through the night, from dawn again till evening call. Tree of life protect us all. It never fade, it never bend. It stand in strength till very end. From root to leaf, from sea to sky. Tree of life will never die. Just spirit deep inside. From soil to star, from root to crown. Tree of Zion hold we down. No fire, no flood can break the will. Tree of Jah stand mighty still. Tree of life so strong and free. Spread Jah love for all to see. Feed the soul, protect the ground. Keep the peace where life is found. From mountain ridge to ocean side. far. Carry the word of who we are. From root to leaf, from shore to plain. Wind of Jah forever reign. No gate, no chain can hold it back. Wind of Zion, stay on track. Wind of Zion, swift and strong. Carry the truth where it belongs. Lift the prayer to heaven's door. Spread Jah love forevermore. From dawn to dusk, from earth to sky. Wind of Jah will never die.
Seal of my rastas, me stone and Svetka by me side, yeah, man. Me see her walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she nah no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal pan foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. Me step to her, heart a beat. Me say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling. Me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We sit on rooftop, herbs ablaze. Talk about life, give Jah praise. She teach me about patience and faith. Me show her how to chant and wait. We nah rush, nah need no ring. Just truth and rhythm, everything. When the system try, split the vibe. We meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In our soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She said, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right, not wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night get warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. Me write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them a watch and wonder how to Rasta still hold vow. While world a crumble round the way, we hold hands and start fi pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still rude, but we move with righteous mood. A Babylon could never stop this rebel love from reach the top. When me weak, she strong like stone. She chant Jah live, me nah alone. And when she cry, me wipe her tears. Say queen we higher
than them fears. Rasta love in a Babylon. True light that carry on. Me empress me backbone. Together we build Zion throne. Me reason, me melody. She keep me steady like prophecy. No fiction, just devotion. Rasta love in a Babylon. In the heart of confusion, we still find the fusion of love, of roots, of soul, and that make the Rasta old. Sealer, sealer. Na 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 na. Rise up early when the sun's still sleeping. Steam the herbs, start the daily reasoning. Bongo drums echo from the hillside. Lion of Judah in a Iman stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame. Me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in a heart, fire in a soul. We live in the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine. Herbs burn strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply. Rasta reach high in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise. Just clean meditation, open eyes. Open eyes. Come inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just healing breeze. Herbs from the earth, wisdom from the stars. Ancient truths written in scars. We drum to connect, we sing to feel. We reason about what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system. We give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. Roots temple, lift me up. Fill me chalice, pour Jacob. In a silence me hear the sound, heartbeat of earth. So profound, this ain't no fiction, no fairy tale. This is real life, roots and sacred trail. Open eyes. And when the moonlight dance pan leaves, me chant a psalm and my soul believes. No fear when Jah lights around. No lies can shake this holy ground. Me tread in a circle of ancient peace, where hate and ego cease to exist. Me no need church, me no need crown. Me sit in a roots temple, burn it down. Youth them a come, searching for guide. Me show them the smoke and say step inside. But first give thanks, then spark the flame. Then let the silence call your name. Me teach about herbs, me teach about drum. How to hear your voice when the world get dumb. Each puff a prayer, each beat a truth. Me pass the torch from elder to youth. Roots temple, lift me high. Blaze a meditate till we touch the sky. No money, no
Aye, aye. Smoke a spliff with Zion Raga, yeah, man. On the Irie Way, we cruising slow. Smoke from the chalice, start to flow. Sky wide open, no cloud in a sight. Rasta heart beat steady through the night. We no follow, no system clock. We move with the sun, step with the rock. Herbs in a hand, wisdom in a head. Jah guide with steps where angels tread. Irie Way, carry me home, far from concrete and Babylon dome. Blaze up the fire, chant to the sky. Lift up the spirit and let it fly. One love vibration, no complication. Just herbs and meditation. I remember days under city light. Soul in a cage, heart lose fight. But Jah call me through the smoke and breeze, whispering softly through sacred trees. Now me barefoot on sacred land, drumming truth with a healing hand. No fear in a this sacred path, just love and the ancient craft. Irie Way, take I far, past illusion, past war. Rasta wheel turn in Jah direction. Roots man soul in resurrection. In a chase money, in a chase fame, just the Irie fire and Jah name. They don't teach this in a no school. How we live humble, how we stay cool. Herb in a pipe, knowledge in a heart. That's where the higher living starts. So when you lost in a world of fear, step on the highway, Jah draw near. I see the stars in the sky, like them know how the truth lie. We sip tea from the roots and leaves, balance the body, calm the breeze. No need for stress, no need for race. Jah timing always in place. Rasta no rush, Rasta no run. We move with the moon and praise the sun. Irie Way, freedom call. No wall too high, no Babylon tall. Smoke up, rise up, chant and pray. We dip on the Irie Way. So if you feel down, feel out of breath, come find life beyond the death, beyond the system, beyond the screen. There's a place where the soul stay clean. This is reggae for the meditation. Words of fire, soul salvation. Zion echoes, call your name. Early morning light peeks through the hills. Rasta rise with the lion's will. Steam rising from the chalice cup. Herbs of healing, we full it up. Ancient drum talk, heartbeat sound. One foot in Zion, the other on ground. We chant down fear, chant up love. Guided by Jah from above. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just Irie soul, pure levitation. Walk through mist in a silence deep. The earth she speak, in secret she keep. Each leaf a scroll, each breeze a verse, teaching we how we lift the curse. Babylon fall in a ego and hate, but we elevate, now participate. One spliff light, the third eye open. We decode the system, truth is spoken. We no need diamond, we no need gold. The riches live where the story's told. like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just Irie soul, pure levitation. Children dance in a barefoot style. Elders bless with a knowing smile. The rhythm is older than Babylon's scheme. Reggae a voice from the ancestral dream. This ain't no hype or music fake. It's a heartbeat song, the soul to wake. One drop rhythm, lightning fire. Burn down lie, build truth higher. So light up the chalice. Ay, 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 ay. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me see her walk like breeze pan river. Every step make me heart beat shiver. Crown on her head, spirit so divine. She now wear gold, but she always shine. Cooking idol, chanting Psalms 23. Me empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica pure in simplicity. She are the queen of me temple, fire of the night. She light me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gate from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. In a this chaos, she help me survive. Me empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the land. She build the future with her bare hand. She reads scriptures like lullaby and teach the youth them not to lie. Me love how she not chase trend, but live with honor start to end. Many women me see, but she stand alone. With lioness heart and spirit grown. She no need crown fi rule me throne. Our vibe more rich than gemstone. We burn herb under the moonlight. She speak truth, me feel right. No drama, just roots and care. Me give thanks for Jah answer prayer. She are the queen of me temple, reason of the song. With her by me side, me stand strong. She roll up wisdom, burn the shame. She call me king, she know me name. Yeah, she a roots gal, humble and free. She move with grace like ocean sea. She a the queen of the Rasta flame, and me love her more each time me call her name. Me empress no flex feel likes. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stay steady, she never lose. She dress royal, but live low key. Speak soft, but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She are the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge, she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain. Yeah. Zion roots, Zion roots. Oh, Zion roots. Oh, yes, Zion roots. Oh, hey. Them lock we up in mental jail. Them feed we fast food and fairy tale. Them sell we fair like market fruit, while we forget the ancient root. Me see the youth, them hypnotized by screen and sound and sweet disguise. But me not blind, me still a feel the system fake
me spirit real. Me wake up in a Babylon dream, where everything bright but nothing clean. Them bleach the truth, them twist the name, them point the finger, shift the blame. But me nah bow, me nah retreat. Me walk with lion in the street. Me hold me head through storm and flame. Me soul too high, fi play them game. Iron chains, golden souls, them can't touch what Jah control. Though we walk through fire and stone, we rise as kings from dust and bone. Me chant for the voiceless, chant for the poor. Me knock on consciousness door. So hear the drum and free your roll. Break the chains and claim your soul. Me see them love, control and badge. Them drive them ego like a mad carriage judge. Them build high towers, plastic throne, but still them scared to be alone. Me say me nah need diamond ring. Me value life, not what bling bring. Me rather sleep on dirt and straw than praise a king with bloody law. Me granny tell me truth in song. The wicked reign, but not for long. Me take them words like sacred book and plant it deep in every book. Them colonize the past and now, but we they are still and we know how. Me use me roots like warrior blade. Me lyrics sharp, me message brave. And when me rising at the early light, me give thanks for breath and vision right. Me see Jah hand in everything, from river flow to bird wing. Them label we as rebel soul, but a freedom fire we control. Me nas a puppet, me nas a doll, me soul a thunder, hear it roll. Iron chains, golden souls, them can't touch what. Sacred smoke rise in the morning glow. Herb make the heart find Jah spirit flow. From the hills to the valley, the message spread. Herb make the humble find Jah instead. Me kneel pon the ground with the chalice in hand. The smoke at the bridge to the promised land. The morning dew mix with the fire's heat. Herb make the journey feel so sweet. Babylon try to silence Jah word, but the sacred smoke rise, them voices unheard. Through the haze, me see Jah plan. Every puff reveal the truth of man. Herb make the chains of Babylon fall. Sacred smoke rise, answer Jah call. Sacred smoke rising to Jah throne. Herb meditation make the truth be known. From the hills of Zion to the urban sprawl, sacred smoke rising make the wicked fall. Them criminalize what Jah provide, but Jah herb make me spirit abide. The fire ignite, the smoke make it clear. Rasta chant loud fi Jah draw near. Me gaze pon the stars in the endless sky. Herb make me heart connect so high. The wicked them fight, but Jah herb prevail. Sacred smoke tell the ancient tale. The roots them strong, the leaves divine. Herb make the soul realign. Rasta chant pon the holy flame. Every leaf whisper Jah sacred name. The fire make the weary man find peace. Sacred smoke rise, make the pain release. Sacred smoke rise in a morning glow. Herb make the heart find Jah spirit flow. From the hills to the valley, beneath his spur. Herb make the hunger find Jah in stir. Sacred smoke rise in Jah holy grace. Herb make the heart find its rightful place. Sacred smoke guide me through Jah way. Rasta chant strong till the final day. lion in a the pove. Yeah man, me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. On the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. On the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's all. This a the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eye eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map, just ears fi listen and time fi nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner, all a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay upon the rhythm for a while. Title pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me wealthy with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under Jah sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. On the roots highway, come what may.
Bada bim, bada boom. Rastafari. Smoke bang ya man. Yeah, me walk with Jah in a barefoot style. Me step in a jungle, me mind run wild. Lion heart, me nah get tame. Me burn me herb and chant Jah name. Hillside green like me favorite strain. Me feel no pressure, me feel no pain. Eyes to the sky, me lift me soul. Me reggae beat, keep the fire whole. Roots run deep in a man vein. Rasta love, wash away the strain. Blaze one high and meditate low. We roll in truth, we let it flow. Roots run deep and the rhythm strong. Me spirit chant like the ancient song. Hold a vibe and let it steep. Rasta life, yeah, roots run deep. Me burn the chalice pan sunrise peak. Me listen Jah voice when the silence speak. Me no chase wealth, me no need fame. Me find me peace
in Jah holy name. Me woman divine, me queen by side. We ride the storm, we ride the tide. She rub me locks when me feel low. She say remember who you are, let it show. Me no in a race with no other man. Me live each day with a higher plan. From roots to fruit, me tree stand tall. If you feel lost, just answer the call. Roll a spliff and close your eyes. Feel the fire as your spirit rise. Sound system shake, the sacred ground. Jah vibration in every song. Rasta youth walk a righteous way. Herbs in a pocket, smile pon face. We burn Babylon without haste. Roots run deep like the Congo drum. Feel it beat like lightning come. Zion echoes in the midnight hour. Me link with stars, me take Jah power. Me jam in a yard with me brethren them. Real warriors, no need for pretend. Post the vibes and ital stew. We reason true truth while the fire brew. Me play me guitar, them beat them pan. We raise vibration, woman and man. No borders here, just art and sound. One love vibration, circle round. So if you're tired of concrete grey, come find your peace where the children play. Dance in a field, sing out loud, lift up your soul and stand so proud. This is Zion Echoes, Irie scene. Reggae roots, so pure, so clean. Rasta journey, you soon will keep. But first remember, roots run deep. Birds them sing, meditation deep, me feel everything. Me not rush, me not chase goal. Me just a vibe, let the wisdom unfold. Me light one draw, me soul get calm. In the silence, me hear just one draw, one love, rising high like a dove. From roots to the star above, me carry the fire, me carry the love. One draw, one soul, freedom deep, me feel whole. Me burn it slow, me take control. The healing green, it play me role. Me walk barefoot on sacred land, feel the heartbeat of Chant. Me no need no chain or car, me ride rhythm from near to far. Ital in a pot, steam well nice, pepper coconut, herbs and spice. Me chant chalice, not fi hide, but fi open gates on the inside. Me float, me fly, but me still stay. 1 foot on earth, 1 foot in Yahweh. One draw, one love. Me link me mind to stars above. No hate, no war, no shove. Just peace and vibes like turtle dove. One draw, one soul. Me heal me heart, regain control. In a light, me play, me roll. Me reggae keep me spirit whole. Me see the youth them gather round with Naya bingy drum and sacred sound. We burn the fire, we sip some tea. We chant till the mind walk free. Me tell them breathe, hold firm and clear. Each breath a step fi George and near. Them nod and like river run. This reggae vibe a just begun. One draw, one love, one fire. Rasta guide from up above.
Na 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 na, smoke a spliff. Inna the nature, yeah man. Inna the hills where the sun touch land, me build me temple with me own 2 hands. Surrounded by trees, a river run clear. No noise of machine, only nature me hear. Me light up the fire, me chant in peace. Me burn the herb and me soul release. Each draw a journey, each breath a guide. Me no need no riches when Jah provide. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate, me not hesitate. Feel liberate, one spliff, one love. Me meditate, no hate can penetrate. In a Ganja Temple, we not pretend. From roots to crown, we transcend. Jackal I and I ascend. In a sacred fire without end. Them say me mad, them say me lost, but me live good without the cost. No plastic smile, me nah wear mask. Me live free, that's me only task. Me chant for the youth in a Babylon. Me tell them truth, them can't unlearn. But me nah preach war or fight. Me show them star and guide them light. So me sit in a silence, deep in a trance. Me soul do a mystic dance. Each leaf a scripture, each puff a psalm. Me heart beat steady, me soul stay calm. Me no chase fame, me no beg likes. Me just walk truth, me ride me bike. With the herb in a me pack and the drum in a me soul. Me chant fi heal and make them whole. In a Ganja Temple, me elevate, me na rush. Me meditate, me mind pure, like spring we run. Me spirit rise up like the sun. In a Ganja Temple, me feel Jah near. Me hear the voice, only love can hear. No fear, just clear vibration. Me live for the next generation. Me see me brethren chanting a grove. Them foot beer, them chanting code. Me sister bred up like lioness. She hold the chalice and smoke the stress. The elders speak in ancient tongue. Them say hold firm youth, your journey just begun. So me listen deep, me humble now. Me learn the secrets of the sacred vow. Now me rise up from the ground. Ganja Temple a holy sound. No concrete, no wall of sin. Just wind and drum and truth within. If you seek Jah, come trot this way. Me greet you at dawn with a chalice and pray. In a this temple, no man rule, just
smoking chalice in the jungle. Yeah, man. Barefoot me step on red earth clay. Me feel the pulse from my ancient day. Drum a beat like thunder roll. Echo deep down in a me soul. Me eye closed but me see clear. Spirit calling from far and near. Me nah need no plan, no map. Jah rhythm guide me step by step. Heart beat inna the drum me say. Calling all soul fi come me say. Dancing round this sacred fire. Lift your spirit, take your higher. Boom boom, boom boom, it nah lie. It a the truth we can't deny. From Zion plain to African coast, we chant for life, we chant for growth. Me see me sister spin with breeze. Her foot them talk like them at ease. Me brother chant them ancient word. No page, no book, just spirit heard. We now wear chain, we wear crown. Rasta robe in a rootsy gown. Me spirit rise like morning sun. When me feel the rhythm, me and it become one. Me say, who hear the drum? We hear the drum. Who ready for dance? We ready for dance. Who carry light? We carry light. Who walk with Jah? We walk with Jah. Heartbeat inna the drum, me say. Rhythm beat strong like lion breath. Tide of spirit, wave of sound. Lift we up and spin we round. Fire blaze in a cool night here. Drum line up, me no a prayer. Me na fear, me na fall. Drum make me rise, make me stand tall. Me lose me name but find me root. Me dance barefoot, me pick wild fruit. The rhythm now come from speaker box. It rise from stone, from wind, from rocks. Every beat a memory bond from when me ancestors did one. Stay true to your heart and breath. Drum will guide you upon life and death. Boom, 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 me feel it strong. The drum still beat, though the night is long. Circle tight, we nah go stray. We follow the drum till break of day.
Ay, 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 ay. Spit kachakalaka yama. Early in the morning, me rise with the light. Sun kiss the hills, me vision bright. Me sip vital tea, me give thanks for life. No rush, no stress, just vibes alright. Me walk barefoot, pan Zion style. Me plant me seed, me hands in tile. Each breath me take is sacred now. Each step me walk is a sacred vow. This are the Irie Way, the only road. Through mountain high and valley low. One spliff, one love and a drum beat flow. We chant for peace wherever we go. This are the Irie Way, me so rejoice. Rasta in a high heart, in a high voice. No chains, no fear, just open sky. And Jaja always standing by. Me no need gold or fame to shine. Me wealth is roots, me rhythm, me rhyme. Ganja in me chalice, fire in me heart. Me meditate deep, me take it back to start. Me feel the wind whisper, ancient tales of prophets and stars and cosmic trails. This life me live is simple true. Me share me herb, me share me view. Under the moonlight me chant psalms. Me soul protected, me life calm. Me sister in home, sweet harmony. Me brethren burn herbs in unity. Together we rise like morning sun. Me no walk alone, we all are one. So me light a fire for the next generation. generation. Teach them love and elevation. This are the Irie Way, the realest road. No illusion, no heavy load. Just mystic truth and ground in tone. Me sit on the rock and feel Jah throne. This are the Irie Way, me not turn back. Me ride with Jah on the ancient track. No worry about time, me just align. Me float pan rhythm and sip me wine. The sound of drum is me heartbeat now. Each beat a step in a sacred vow. Me reason with elders under the tree. Them tell I tales of the old Mali. Them say, youth, keep your faith strong.